In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at how to get notify when your site goes offline with Jetpack, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, select Settings from Jetpack. Here first you have Security Settings. Here we have Downtime Monitoring, in which you will get alerts if your site goes offline. Click on this Connect Your WordPress.com account button. Then on this page, connect with WordPress or Google. We will select this Continue with Google button and here enter your email, and next your password to log in. Once done, they will authorize your connection. Then turn on this Get Alert option. And here you can see your settings will be updated accordingly. Thank you for watching.